new man, so Rochelle not really in a church again. Cause remember Rochelle used to pay.
Rochelle that dirty girl so you go fuck Joe.
What?
If you not hear me, Kitan, he pass you.
I don't want to pass with you. I can't manage. Something they know. The official and her husband gone back together. And every time she posts one picture, she try hiding face, and we know Jill and the foot then look already. So them gone back. Man, I fuck Ziggy now. Ziggy and be a Batman apart.
A long time man I fuck Ziggy. Ziggy a long time Batman.
The man them a give Ziggy now and the things them.
Then faces are them man they go and straight a Batman, you know.
What?
You never know that. A man like a them they go and them a bad man and straight a them a batty boy.
Okay. Drakes and Rosalie seen at sons almost standing at each other.
No, me I tell you say they I prank them and some of the
Rosalie did a up man and Drake stand up and look.
No, but me I tell you say that I prank them a pranky people. Them no, them are there now nothing. Them a pranky people cause knowing Rosalie a chip. If them in a problem, they don't kill them already. Me know what they enter. I prank them a prank. Me not think they no. They in the same way.
Kiki, she know, me don't know which one of the gifter them she go meet one man gifter over there, right? Man send her 2 local universe and couple local lion. She fly out to a small island, man fuck her and give her $8,000 US in an envelope, take back the money and send her gone over villa.
Oh, and she did me see when she come and show her $8,000.
The man take it back from her. And she'd have to book out of the hotel and now she gone over one villa. Over the villa all long. I wait for the man to carry back the envelope. The man no look. She come home.
So if you get the money, when you give back your man for? Alright, man, money in the pan life.
She hardly get no gift because she run go show money like she rich. Dear.
Oh, like I did the man money and the man make him post it then.
Right, and then the man take it back and him have to come out of the hotel. And come out of one big nice hotel gone over one villa. One girl now named Kate sick. Well, she didn't have some altercation with some girl and then the gang and beat her. She come over here and look help and the crowd seem to want to bother me about it. I'm saying help the blood clot body. I'm talking man, I'm saying help them and then take it on their head. Every time I scroll somebody make video with me say, me figure suck my mama because I know they know what me say or me say it. I'm gonna really know what I go and come in and think me entitled for help. Nobody at all because and then them have a problem for see people help me, so why me can sensation help me. So I don't think I need to help anybody. I helped her before. I mean, you should talk about it when the people them a class are. Me go live with the and say, why she not tell the people them say me did help her? All of a sudden me a pass me see video with her mother say, yes, Ivany did help me and we were so happy. So it have to take me if it say that for you, come say me did help you. Don't it this one. And she get new house. People them capture land.
Then Annie can capture him and Annie people man. The way they make him about Annie a liar too, you know, cause way they make him come and lie the ball say, yo, the man he done up a place to run him out. The money, if you want a place to go build a place. Annie a liar. Now a couple months ago man he come say he done extort him up a place. And he have to go move.
Yeah, if I want the people them money.
Annie a cook, man. Annie figures Annie. You can't buy that Annie a cook there, man. And Annie not the money for my man them. He can terrorize.
Come tell you, see her daughter pregnant thinking so then they get money and the people then look upon them.
Then a regular day for them breed. A breeding factory that's all. Them breed to blood clot. All the 14-year-old them up there breed. 13-year-old. Them a fuck from them a level. All of Annie pit them a fuck from a tender age.
So what
so like must have a breed. One center CP at them.
The man where the name where the man that the name him still in a jail?
Which man that eh?
Where Aki walk, where Annie lock up say where did grip off Zoe.
Annie sell him man Zoe. And she man tap by now in tell us rape.
So that the man that still get locked up?
No, I don't know. The police must say a joke thing that Annie then feel lock up. Kind of got that. They need to go. Annie then feel lock up. Or then feel like a fuck with them, then should lock up a youth. Annie then shall lock up.
Me feel him lock up Annie to cause Annie know what she do.
Annie a sell it pitney them and when the man is not paying Bex.
TikTok police now find new woman every day.
Buck to where you send me at me for your batty man. Send lion and his your money gun. To your buck to. Buck to send some big gift,
Yes, so
man.
the man them capture we buck to a friend name again. The look one day.
Pops.
Yes, a man capture Pops time up in house and I fuck him out. So Pops are the live and the things them now.
I kill him, shan't kill him. In walk about too much.
Yes, so they don't grip off in look bottom.
In walk about too much, man. In walk about too much, man. That's happened to me. You learn if that walk up and down. Cause young man don't know storm.
Jaden come live, come say him take care of Slime. And Slime come and I said, and I confront Jaden and I said, which part you ever pay my rent? Answer. And the care how Slime I ask him up front, he can't answer.
Listen me, I say Ivany. Don't watch the same thing as go on with Jaden and Slime. Not take you serious. I prank them, I prank. No matter when, I mean, I tell you this a batty boy, Jaden. No matter where you do Slime now, get no clout. Tell when you do this, Slime now, boss again. Slime career done.
Oh, a Slime you want for boss?
Yeah, you want to make it like him. Yeah, you want Slime, but not now, go work. Slime now, no content. Slime if you go find a style, come with. Slime now, no style. Into full. If people have Slime as a waste man, so no matter what you do, you not get no money.
Lord Jesus, guys, you hear that's a prank. Jaden no again.
Jaden and Slime now fall out. I prank them, I pranky people.
Jaden find one new girl and she fly down, feed me there and him carry over. I'm yard already and the things them.
Jaden ever they find pussy for him.
Fabi now open one business at Jamaica. She have something like Uber Eats where people can order online and it then deliver it to your yard like Uber Eats. But me low key here say Jaden got what me want to chew him say Fabi what me want. Me don't know what somebody tell me since now before me come now.
Jaden like he look obsessed with Fabi. Jaden like he love Fabi for true, you know. He look like, you know.
Of course, but he look like a Fabi now go back there, me don't know.
Kind of narcissist, he corrupt. He love him, but he don't know if it so do one of them a trouble him about her, so probably no one sick to her, cause he disgrace.
Yeah. You don't know, so when Donia now did go Bahamas, Barbados, Bahamas with the girl there, I don't know if I get something that they get in her feelings. I think World Dog and Jaden must say they go keep.
But if a real dog that fuck you first, so real dog jealous. Remember real dog first that fuck you long time, girl. So if it's real dog a fuck you first, and a boy we say they will do the deck. So naturally real dog go jealous. So Donia fuck you, know. But real dog not jealous. Cause I say as a man girl in take. So you can't beg so the next man take it from you. Cause as a man girl take.
So what
and the girl know what yeah, the girl do anything for cloud.
World Dog and Jaden a play a match. I keep one quote one day. And World Dog must say a question. Jaden and Jaden say in ear said Donia and never put him out on Candy and Candy come out with video with him and Donia kiss and the things the man eat from the same mouth and something. For prove say yes them did there.
Man, I said, don't a long time bows, you know, man. Don't suck anything, man. Don't suck pussy.
No, man, you're a liar.
That's the girl tell me.
My friend.
That one girl tell me, so don't suck
lie,
pussy.
She a blood clot. Fuck she a look and she couldn't get you. A lie.
No, man, don't the breed that girl let me attack, man. And the girl kill the belly.
When?
Yeah, me know a girl come from down and mobile, man. Where come from?
For sure?
Yeah, fucking pussy good, yeah. I don't lie.
No, I lie, I tell you, so I don't believe her.
Believe it or not, me I tell her.
So, how you not believe the girl, but why if I lie she? How you not believe if you say I lie she?
No, cause me approve, me don't have say it.
Say what?
Saying want to name.
No, I lie, I tell no.
And he send blood clot, flush your school and flush it, fuck other man pan him.
Jesus Christ, my can't. Slush, the one where make Candy hide in the room because she have a cutlass. A country girl will chop up your blood clot, you know.
I said, don't have frighten the pussy Tony that when him say fat crutches. Frighten the pussy Tony that when him say fat crutches.
Oh, Jesus, I can't believe it.
Don't do anything. All binds are waste man too, you know. Be a pussy binds are suck.
How would him so?
You friend, I want suck. I want suck
binds
pussy
always
to
a funny head top.
I want wally for them money. What of them damn pussy? Bokeh, slime, binds and do one. What of them par? Be a pussy then, yeah. Jaden. No. I want a piece of whoop your damn pussy boy them.
Right.
Right now, West.
You know, sister Tavi no fine woman.
The time, a mad boy, Tavi.
I have one big bottom queen.
What's
What?
up? Right, you had we come in, right, making that my pussy, you want making that mad out. You know? So now we
One
get it.
big body girl. She live in America. She gone back home now. She did just there one year. She gone home now. Them did have matching pajama and the thing them. Yeah, you know, say Emmy and Lando take their relationship serious. Lando fly out Ghana for about 3 months. The whole social media panic. I wonder if Lando now come back and here, cause Lando gonna capture land with Emmy and make all sort of video. And TikTok name think it's safe, so Lando come back home now. Lando come back home and afraid cause Emmy look like in there try to catch her belly. So Lando Walker asked everybody what are the signs, what kind of signs we did see when we did a breed as females.
Me like the look relationship, the two of them humble.
Yes. Who else now? Who else again? Boy, I'm not gonna touch panda one day serious.
No man, touch funny man, go there man. Where say, talk.
A bigger league than me, yo.
Give me not bigger than me man. I'm your biggest thing. Come, go on.
Now come out of my mouth, there's so
Give me a
many.
hint, talk. Just say something with me.
The
Say me have
person
a
get locked up.
Mm-hmm.
The person did figure Brazil and then catch him with things on the plane, me dear.
Who that the people? Who that they comment?
You know, get figure Brazil cause then catch him on the plane with things and a lot of people.
You know why you not about caviar me? You know top comment that. Cause
No.
me is a cloud tracer and caviar man clone. So you done this so. Moving forward. Where you say now?
Yeah, them did figure Brazil and him never get figure. But
Who them attack? Who them attack people?
a lot of people involved in other situation there.
Talk man, Ivany man.
No. And then when you're gone and you get for your money, me can't get my rent money where I can't do it.
No, you not tap no man. Who name Marky?
Eh?
Who name Marky?
Oh, that guy man will get locked up and go to Brazil.
That Batman ever there on live.
You know, me never yet seen the pan live. Me always seen pan TikTok. A trend video.
Guys, you know say Batman up here. Yeah, I don't know if you just use that as an example and say if Batman still have to do then they have to make money. Yeah, Batman up here, so you don't have to put in the Batman account if you not worth it. So guys, you know just nobody got that route there. Cause just look at the type of Batman them. Roger after them might buy man bike and them man stab him up. Akeem after they suck snow cock and he still after they still not nothing. This one after the thief pan plane. So Batman up here people, so nobody got that route there. That's low they ain't alone people.
Oh, Jesus Christ, he rough.
Yeah, so on learn now say Batman up here. Yeah man.
Well,
All who believe say Batman up here want go in a business, you know pay, so nobody go in there. Just use them man there as an example.
who else chat on the field need? Who else we need to talk about? Who else need to get it? One rank out, one gift that did over here should have give out her soul and her heart. She get broke now and she asked everybody for help her and all who did give her. No, I them not step up for help her, me dear.
With a gift of name.
I remember them.
My name Spinners.
Spinners, I want female.
I'm not Spinners.
I want female, one black lady.
Where then call her?
Me just say me remember her name.
Okay.
Guys, what's your name? Kepisha.
What's your name?
Kepisha.
She can't go suck her mama. She never give me nothing yet.
Yeah, man, she give you one time.
No, she never give me.
She give all away already for you.
But never give me. Nobody like me. Anybody that give phone no forgive me, because my mom used to trouble no.
I type a gift them will get still cause the people them when she send the universe them back another. I know they not give her and the one when she send interstellar willing to give her.
You never give me nothing yet, because me no remember that. Me don't remember it. Remember a little bit of gift that me have. So me don't remember her. Me don't know her. And one savvy me know and savvy no broke. And gold digger them and them people. Me can't forget them. And Carol and them people. Them me always remember. Carol, Pope. Punky, and where them people used to give me. Sweet and spice. I know about that red ruby. I know that the man dead dog. That man never give me nothing yet. Uno and him go work out that. No me and him. Probably me could give him a look, me dan give him a little strength if he didn't give me. Pretty. Then the people me know. I'm pretty give me because he want spite there then.
Oh, me say, this a one you know, pretty than she know. So she a keep official match with everybody where she class on TikTok. She say she a keep official match and she go keep official match with Sky. She and Sky go play and Sky beat her up. And Pretty Dan talk about it. I 1 month since the match gone or a couple weeks and Pretty Dan still a crash out over the match. Pretty Dan so she lose the match. She no stop class Sky. When you look now, she and Sky start cuss. I know say Sky have one look mix up WhatsApp group there. One group. Me no know Cam her ex go send her pussy in there. Pretty Dan a rub her pussy clip. And he's sending her video. So Pretty Dan video out now which she a back her clip. Dear. They'll go up on TikTok. Me and Sky did follow because she have people in her group a chat me.
The Sky Diamond run when me gift to them contact with people my clean card. So good girl. I hear Timothy and you have it audacity to come for me life, but he's sorry. You gotta suck your mouth up to life on the people, man. But Rosalie tell me so. Rosalie tell me. Let me tell Rosalie and Rosalie tell me. I feel like you that stink and bad mind about Buckland.
I tell Rosalie. Thank
yeah.
you. Fuck your feelings. Thank you.
But me not make internet make me and her fall out. Like me and her friend.
When she tell her that?
Since there. After me tell her, say I fuck
her look a cloth, she won't come look now.
If you guys stink no bum Buckland.
That's the time he get cloth when he call certain big gift that rank a name, you know. And when nobody now look back on him because his story dead, he try running back in there people then went class to get look of views.
But you know long the people that try bust on TikTok and
can marry the man she a fucking know. Why you think that she can't go live more while and show not even out her door sometimes? She can't show everywhere because the woman is
Ivany, you know long the people that try bust and all and can bust. You see them people curse.
Curse bad. Right now I look for Sky because Sky for go report and Sky no go in.
If Ice call me don't go. You have to go catch me on the run.
No, you have to go.
If they call me a man, me just to be a fucker.
No, you have to go when you come in our country, you have to visit with your eyes. Me go on my eyes check up every 3 months, every 2 months.
A good thing me not cross border, me straight.
I'm immigration officer. Kizzy, I breed for Kickbridge.
Then somebody can breed, fuck out, Kizzy.
Well, him a breed already though.
Kizzy, fuck out. I'll sound like a waste man, me know fuck that.
Oh.
Kizzy. But every girl have a waste man, they fuck them, sis. I mean, I answer that.
Who the fuck is it? Tell me.
No, you don't know him, me not famous.
One of your friend them?
Really? This is a long time focus. Well, maybe, Fenton don't know that. Fenton she come from. First, she fuck waste man able, you know, so she all her life.
So now she has something that did there. Able?
But waste man able fuck you know.
No, I mean I believe that. Able never fuck him. Able they have the content. There's something named content, you know. Where have people we just link up and make content. That means say my glue done to Bumbleclad. That means say uno there. And that's about it. I don't really know what else. You have to tell me you never